today we are going to discuss about some of the query, which is the sum of salary and average and max salary and counting the name. So whatever in the database we can count it. So we are going to start it by inserting in the MySQL system. MySQL so I'm going to enter in my system. I will go use the SAS. So I'm just going to create a database, create a table. I will give it employq because I have already inserted the other table, which is the name of using employee, giving ID int primary key auto increment and giving a name worker. Its data type is worker. The value will give it 14. Whatever you can give it. So last name, also data type is a worker, giving value 14, and I'm going to give the major. So this is also worker data type, giving value, and I will go for salary. So the main thing is the salary. So int, I'm going to close the table here. Describe the describe employee employq. As you can see, the structure of our database is created. So the next step is we are going to insert our data into employq. So I'm just going to give the name, last name, major, and we have also salary. So basically close and give the values. Let me scroll down. No, it's not possible. So for the values we'll give the name. So I'm giving normal. So last name is also Khan, and will be major will be I'm giving HR. So whatever you can give it. So the salary I will give it 14k. So this will be done. So I'm just going to insert my table. So query okay, one row is affected. So basically I just want to see the table is created or not. Select the star from our table was employq. Enter. As you can see, the whatever I inserted in the table, so it is showing in my database, which is my database table. So I'm just going to add few more row by inserting 30k, HR, it is okay, web, giving a header, and enter. This one is also, I will go and edit this one also, giving 50 cells, giving the name 1 and enter. As you can see, this one is also get inserted. So I'm going to give one more, which is 16k. It says it's okay. I will just change the name. That's it. So far, enter. I just want to check it is inserted or not. Just click. As you can see, now I have name, last name, major, salary. I have 2 HR and 2 cells, and you can see the salary also. Now we are basically going to check the sum of the salary. So we will start by query. So our query is select sum inside of the bracket salary from employq. As you can see, total salary which we are having in our table. So total salary is 118k. So I just want to check now the average of salary in our table. So someone will be asking, so can you show me the average of the salary in our table? So basically we can use the AVG average just by inside of this salary and close the bracket from. I'm just giving the name of my table employq and close. As you can see, the average salary is 45,000 here, 45. So the next step is we are checking the max salary. So the max salary, the command is select, just using select max, inside of the bracket you will put on salary, then giving close the bracket from, just typing from employq. As you can see, the max salary which we are having, and the person who has a max salary here, Safa, ID number is 4, the last name is Khairkha, and major is sales, and the salary is 16k. So he has the max salary in our table. So the next one we are going to check is now select count. By typing count, I'm just going to say count the name, from, leaving a space, from employees, employq. As you can see, how many name I have in my database, which is the name which I have here, it is 4. So basically it's showing for me. I told to SQL select count name. I just want to count the name, how many name is here. So basically it's showing 4. The next step is also, you can for example select count by typing count, open the bracket, put last name, close it and save from employq. As you can see, I have now 4 last name also. So the thing is, I just want to see the changes, so I'm just going to say select count. Inside of this I will say major, yes, major, close the bracket from employq. As you can see, I have a 4 major. So basically I have a 4 major. The second one which we are going to say is the another command which we are going to check is by adding the, as we can check the, as we check the salary, name, major, last name. So these all the command which we are using for count, average, max, using salary, name, last name, major, whatever in the database which we are having. So basically the easy way is we can use this all command. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support. This was a today video. I hope you will enjoy.